I'm gonna share with you an easy resource you can actually start using that has amazing designs you can actually put on your print-on-demand products. In today's video, I'm teaching you exactly how to use this tool to scale out your print-on-demand business and find designs that are trending right now that you need to start selling on your Etsy shop. I'm gonna show you all that coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here. My name is Jay, and on this channel, I teach you exactly how to create print-on-demand products and sell those things online. So if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. And again, we're talking about a main resource that I use to help me make these amazing print-on-demand designs without having a ton of design skills, and it is Creative Fabrica. So Creative Fabrica is a great way for you to actually find amazing designs, but also speed up your design process and list more products on Etsy. So if you stay to the end of the video, I'm gonna share with you an easy way to actually make these products your own by taking some things away and adding some things in. This small step is really what's gonna change the game in regards to you bringing amazing designs to the Etsy marketplace. And what's amazing about using Creative Fabrica is that they have unlimited access to more than 5 million digital resources just for $1 for the first month. That means all the fonts, all the graphics, all the product mockups, patterns. I mean, you name it, they have it. And what's pretty cool is that yes, you get the first month for $1, but after that, they would give you 35% off every single month to get access to amazing designs just like this. To me, that's a no-brainer. It is a valuable resource to my print-on-demand business. So when you sign up for Creative Fabrica and join their subscription, it comes with a commercial license. That means you can use their digital resources for commercial purposes. And they actually have a full POD design license. That means you're able to use these designs right on your print-on-demand products. And this, again, saves you time and saves you money from hiring your own graphic designer. Again, you get all of these resources in one single platform where you are really able to scale your Etsy business without having a lot of design skills. Creative Fabrica also laid out very well what is fair use in regards to their designs and what are some things that are not allowed. I'll make sure I leave all of the license agreement down in my description box below, as well as the link to get Creative Fabrica just for $1. So before I even create a design with Creative Fabrica, one of the main things I tell people who are selling on Etsy is that you have to make sure you are doing product research. This is the main thing that's really going to help you figure out what type of Creative Fabrica designs you actually need to download and start using. Again, they have over 5 million designs, fonts, and elements you can choose from. So being able to pinpoint which one you need to focus on is actually going to help you. So we know that fall season is coming up soon, but if you just type in Google's trends, fall t-shirts, and expand it out where you're able to see over the past 5 years, you're able to actually confirm when the peak of the season is. And these little waves here, these little mountains are letting you know what the peak of the demand for these fall t-shirts are. And if you see there's a trend in regards to what type of demand they have for this product each and every year. So since we are on the uptrend of this t-shirt demand, we want to make sure that we're creating products now to get ahead of the demand and actually create things that we know are proven to sell for other people. Now, just to give you a reference here, if I search up fish t-shirts, we see fish t-shirt has an overall steady demand over the course of 5 years. But again, we're focused on fall t-shirts and we want to capitalize on the massive volume that's going to come in regards to these type of t-shirts. So now that we know fall t-shirts are going to be in demand, we need to jump into Etsy and actually identify what type of fall t-shirts people are purchasing. So we're going to type in fall t-shirts on Etsy and we're going to see what type of things come up in the search result. And this product is standing out to me. It has so many different things to it in regards to the font style. They're using cheetah print and they're using the pumpkin to really bring out the fall season. So one of the things I look for to actually prove if this design is in demand is I look and see if it has a bestsellers badge. Now, not all products that are bestsellers will have the bestsellers badge in the Etsy search. That's why it's so important for you to go into each and every listing that you believe that are driving sales to actually confirm if it is a bestseller or not. And this is a best-selling item. That means it's very popular on Etsy and many people have checked out with it. Now, another thing I look for is how many people have this item in the cart. The goal here is to focus on products that have 20 or more people in the cart. That means tons of people are actually getting ready to check out with this item if they haven't done so already. And the last one I look at is the reviews, and I go to the newest to see how many people have purchased this item. Now, from my experience, it seems that it takes between 7 to 10 purchases for someone to actually leave a review on a shop. So being this has multiple reviews in one day, that lets me know this is selling extremely well right now, and I need to jump on this type of product trend. Most of the designers that's on Etsy are also on Creative Fabrica. Let's jump into Creative Fabrica and again find these amazing fall designs. So as you can see, they have a ton of designs that's related to our best-selling item we want to recreate. And as I click on this item here, as you can see, this design actually comes with the full POD license use. That means I'm able to download this and use this right on my print-on-demand product without making any changes. Again, if I have that subscription, I actually have that feature to use this right now and start making money online with Etsy. So when you download this file, it comes with different file types, but one of the main file types I look for is the PNG file. The PNG file gives you so many options of how you can erase things and add some more things in. And so this is the file that I actually want to choose and bring it to Canva and recreate this as my own. All right, so now we have our design downloaded. We want to go ahead and jump into Canva. This is where we're going to add some additional things here, take some things away, as well as add in some elements. So again, Canva is a great place for you to start adding these things in to make the design your own. So one of the things I often go to when I create my t-shirts is to create that custom file where I am not losing any of the quality of the design. So I normally click 5,000 by 5,000 pixels, and that's what I'm going to do here. All right, so I have my image here and I'm going to drop it in Canva. Now, the reason why I use Canva with Creative Fabrica, I can add some fonts, I can add some elements, and I can even take some things away. So I want to share with you exactly how I use these Creative Fabrica designs and really make them my own. But one of the things I do, if I really want to capture the main image here and don't have text, all I have to do when I come into Canva is just simply crop the bottom and remove the text. Again, the reason why I do this is because now this gives me the option to add my own phrase at the bottom of this image. So to do that, I can just simply hit T for text, the text box in, and I want to add the text, love the fall vibes. Now, one of the font styles I believe is really good to use on designs right now is anything retro. So I'm using the bright retro font. And again, this is looking good already. Now, one of the things I also want to do is add some more fall elements to this to really bring out this fall design. Again, I can grab things from Creative Fabrica, but since we're already in Canva, I just want to share with you how to do that. I can go in here, type in fall leaves. I can grab some of these fall leaves here, put some at the top, copy and paste and put some at the bottom. And as you can see, we changed this original design, just taking out the font, adding our new font phrase and adding some small elements in really allows this to be our own design. And one of the things I also like to do is just not take out the font, but also take out other elements that's in the picture. And what's pretty cool with using Creative Fabrica designs is that you have a lot of things you can actually manipulate and change to make them your own. And so I'm going to use Canva's remove background feature. Just go to edit, remove background. And what this would do is it will allow me to have this erase tool where I'm able to erase anything on this PNG image. Now, this only works with PNG images, but again, this is extremely helpful because I'm able to really make this my own. So we removed the text before by using the crop feature, but this is actually removing all the text from the image just by using the erase tool. Now, what's pretty cool here is that if I don't want to have these leaves here, I can actually erase these leaves. And again, I can add some of my own in here. Let's just say I like the LVE, but I don't like the pumpkin that they have here. I can actually erase the image of the pumpkin so that I could add my own a little bit later. Again, this is huge because again, I am a firm believer that you don't want to create anything from scratch. The designs on Creative Fabrica, again, that is fully used for print on demand, can be uploaded just as it is. But I think it's good just to add your own variation, your own style to this to really make this your own. Again, not creating anything from scratch, but using what's already here and manipulating the image so that it can be your own. Now, if I made a mistake and erase something, I can always bring it back in by hitting the restore button and bringing back in my image here. But again, I think I want to remove this pumpkin and add something else in. So I can search up pumpkin. I can go down and find something that really looks good. And I think I want to go ahead and use this. I can simply put this over. All right, and here is my design. Now, one of the things I do is I actually highlight all of this and I group this so that now it is one single image. And I can just have this being uploaded. And as you can see, I didn't create this from scratch. I just manipulated the beautiful design that was already here and took some things away and added some more things in so that when I upload this on Etsy, there is not going to be anything like it because I have manipulated this image to really be my own. So one of the things I also like to do, say if I really like this font at the bottom, but I don't like the top portion here, the same thing we did in the beginning, I can take away the design style and just keep the font style. And again, that just makes it extremely easy for me to find a really good font. I can copy this and go back to my design and paste it in here. And as you can see, we have a really good design just as it is here. Now, one of the things I also like to do is I like to have a black text version of my image and also a white text version if I want to put these on different color t-shirts. Right now, this is a great design to put on a bright shirt. However, this text will not work if I want to use this on a dark color t-shirt. So one of the things I like to do is just duplicate this image just by hitting this button, go and highlighting my image here. And again, this is a font, but it's really an image coming from the original that we had. So I want to change this to white. I want to go ahead and click this, go into image, edit image, go into detone. And as you can see, it's bringing up the full original image here, but I can actually click on these colors and it can change the entire color. Now, I just want this text to be white. So I'm going to click cherry, click the button here, and I can go here and change the color so that it is the color white. I can hit apply. I can change the background of this canvas just to make sure that it is white, and it is. And again, I can use this now on a dark color t-shirt. And now I can download this as a PNG file and get ready to upload this to my print partner, as well as use this design on my t-shirt mockups. So I simply go to download PNG, transparent background, and I'm just going to capture the 5th and 6th page because that's what we're working with, and hit download. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this design on my t-shirt mockups. So I'm going to pull over the white text version. Again, this is going to look great on my darker color t-shirt. And again, I can plug it in here. One of the things I like to do is turn down the transparency so it can seem like it's blending in with the t-shirt. And again, as you can see, that looks really good, right? We changed that from Creative Fabrica's original design. Again, it would be great just to plug it into our print on demand products and that will be fine. But I believe going in and changing some things up and really making your own will allow this entire product to stand out. So I have my white text version here, but I also want to add in my black text version. So I want to go ahead and do that now. And again, this is why it is important to make sure you create both versions of your design. Again, you want to have that black text version and you also want to have the white text version so that you can actually use multiple color t-shirts without necessarily being limited on what type of t-shirt color you can actually use. So for reference, this is our original design and we pulled it from Creative Fabrica. Again, great to use on print on demand products, but this is our product going in a little bit further, just changing one small thing to really make it our own, really can make the entire difference for your products in your shop. So as you can see, finding amazing designs with Creative Fabrica can save you a ton of time and a ton of money. Creating amazing designs doesn't have to be difficult. You don't have to have a lot of design skills, but having the right tool can make a major difference. Again, if you want to use Creative Fabrica, I'll make sure I leave it in my link down in my description box below. Again, you get everything for $1 your first month, and then you get that major discount for all the other months as well. Now, in today's video, I didn't have time to talk about the process of how to upload this design to your print on demand product with your print partner and link it to your Etsy shop. However, if you want to check out the next video here, make sure you click this video. And also, if you want to learn more about how to make passive income online, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. As always, my friends, my name is Jay. I will see you in the next video.